welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, hi, my name is Taylor, and for today's video, I'll be making over my living room. I'm so excited, I just received the very first piece so that we can get started. This is the Sven Charm Tan Sofa from Article, and I love it so much, so I'll be designing the space around it. Now that I've got the couch, I'm establishing the living space with a rug. I ordered an 8x10 rug from Rugs USA, which I'll link in the description box below. But before laying that down, we'll first have to lay down the rug pad in order to prevent slipping.
I'll be your Don Corleone. When you're feeling down, feeling low, you'll never be alone. Not when you're right with me. Oh, I won't see no you and me every time we breathe, yeah.
Now that we've got that down, we can place the rug on top of it.
Even if it takes some time, never wanna see you cry. Girl, you need to know it's life means sometimes that we fight. At least we're sitting side by side.
I love rugs that have tassels because they add a really nice flow to the space and don't feel as choppy. I tucked it about halfway underneath the couch and left about a foot on either side of the couch, and that's done.
When you're feeling like giving up, when you're running low on love.
Now it's time to build the coffee table. I got this one from Best Choice Products at Target.
Things are missing and you're on your worst day. I don't want it any other which way. And when it gets rough, I promise I'll stay. Oh, my heart beats every time you look at me. Even when it gets real bad. Never gonna turn my back. Even if it takes some time. Never gonna leave you behind. Girl, you need to know it's life means sometimes that we fight. At least we're sitting side by side.
Since our apartment is pretty small, I opted for a glass table to keep the space looking open and roomy, and I really wanted to add some juxtaposition with the different shapes going on in the space. So we have a rectangular couch, a diamond patterned rug, so I wanted a circular coffee table, and of course I love this bronzy gold color.
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me?
This is the West Elm overarching acrylic shade floor lamp. I really wanted a lamp that would dramatically arch over the couch, and this one had the longest arch that I could find.
Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be?
Alright, now it's time to add the finishing touches.
Find it in ourselves to show.
I'm moving the blanket and basket that you saw in my dining room makeover and putting it next to the couch.
Can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll never know it. What the other book looks like.
Now I'm adding a few decorative pieces from Decocrated, as well as a faux plant to the center of the coffee table.
If I'd stayed pride in my city. Red, blue, and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? But there's not to say that I'm not happy with.
And that completes the living room makeover. I hope you love it as much as I do. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.
If that was me.